Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, I'm in my hometown, South Philly, and we're about to go see a 75-foot cannoli and a big birthday bash.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Hey, South Philly in the house. It's great to be back down the Italian market. Hey, how you doing? It's great to be back down here in South Philly, let me tell you. Oh, leave the gun, take the cannoli. Is that what she's saying? But anyway, over 75 foot of cannoli. Oh, look at this tree, a cannoli tree, huh? More like a money tree. Oh, but anyway, Renee, happy birthday. This is great. I can't wait to see the final product.
Everybody, let's hear it for Renee. And how about the longest ever cannoli in Philadelphia, in the world? Nothing like a person that always wants to go big, and we got to thank Renee for always being there for the community, being a part of our great city, but also understanding what it means to bring people together. Because bringing people together is what Philadelphia and South Philadelphia is all about. And Renee does that, and we're all here today to enjoy Renee and the cannoli. Have a great time, enjoy yourselves, and God bless everyone. Have fun.
Go back over 70 years and he said, Mom, where I'm gonna born? I'm gonna give her two options. Number one option, South Philly. And number two option, Brooklyn. Because I feel in my family, in my friend, in my hometown, South Philly, of course, more than Brooklyn. I don't want to give a lot of credit to Brooklyn. I love Brooklyn. I love everyone from Brooklyn because I see many people are in Brooklyn. So, God bless you and bless our beautiful America. And I just want to let one more thing. Don't forget ever, America, the powerful country in the whole world. You want, you hate, you like, you bullshit, whatever you want to say, America numero uno del mundo. And God bless America, baby! Go!
We have William DeMeo here from the gravesend series. Renee has a special part in a gravesend series. It's a series based in Brooklyn, and our writer and creator and producer are right here, Michelle and William, and his son Christian over there. So I want to wish Renee the greatest person in our lives. Renee, bingo, make it happen.
Oh, baby!
I love Philadelphia, especially South Philly. Renee, you always do it big. This is huge, like always. We embraced you in Brooklyn, and thank you for embracing Brooklyn and Philadelphia. Nothing but love for you, and I can't wait till people get to see you on the screen coming up soon in Gravesend Season 2, but we all love you, buddy. God bless you always.
My man, welcome to South Philly. It's your hometown. I want to hear something from you.
Thank you very much. Hey everybody, thank you for having me here today. It's amazing. This is the longest cannoli in the world, is that what it is? And thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Look, we have to have a different attitude in the city. Every resident's success, every small business, every entrepreneur, Rib Cafe, every entrepreneur's success is the city's success. Keep that in mind. Because when you're successful, so is the city successful. We're a team. We work together. And we have to have that attitude across city government.
Thank you for everybody being here today. We're here for Renee. And from the very first time I ever met Renee, he greeted me with a smile. And he's usually the last person to leave at night. He's always making sure that everybody's happy around him. He's not happy until everybody's smiling and happy. And that's from the first time that I met you, all the way up until today. You break your ass to do things for people in your community, from out of state, from wherever. And everybody that's around you loves you so much and thanks you for the love. Everything about you is the best. And I wish you nothing but the best. And bringing us all here together We're all one big family. New York, Philadelphia, it doesn't matter. We're all one. And we're all American. And one thing I want to tell you, from day one till right now, I got your back for life. For life. We're old school. For life. And I love you. Thank you everybody for being here today. And like I always say, old school for life.